Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we start the questions based on the properties of determinant. Okay, just wait for a few minutes, only 1 minute. Okay, so note it. Using properties of determinant, prove that determinant of a plus b plus 2c. Here you have c, a, b plus c plus 2a. I think that question is solved. And here you have to prove 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So leave it. Okay, next question. Yes, prove that determinant 1, 2x, and here you have 3x into 1 minus x into x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, and your third column is x plus 1, x plus 1, x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1, and x plus 1 into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1, and you have to prove that they equal to 6x square. Yes, note it. 6x square into 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. You have to prove that result. 1 minus x square. Okay, note it. Okay, so taking here left side. Now just see which operation here you take so that the sum terms is to be common. Okay, so if you are think about a second column and third column, here you see that in second column, yes, you have any common. Yes, only x is common here, and in third column you have x plus 1 common. So you can take it common x x and x plus 1 from first column and second column and third column. You can take it out. Okay, yes, take out common. From second column you have to take x common, and from third column you take out x plus 1 common. Understand? So just see that what you have. So here you take left side and taking common x into x plus 1 from second column and third column. So here you have 1, 2x, and 3x into 1 minus x. And in second column you have 1, x minus 1, and x minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into x minus 2. And in third column you take here x plus 1 common. So you have 1, x, and x into x minus 1. Understand? So in this way, here you have, so here you see that in first row you have 1, 1, 1. So you can take it at least 2, 0 in that. Okay. So how it becomes? So if you apply the property that means C2 replaced by C2 minus C3 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. So in this way, here you have 2 0, and then you're trying to expand it. Okay, or yes, if you are yes, applying that property. Okay, so just see what you have in that case. Yeah, subtracting, that means in this way. So what you do here, yes, or you make it here 0 also, that is easy to make it here 0. Okay, so applying it. So C1 replaced by C1 minus C2, and your second operation, C2 is replaced by C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3. So applying that. And just see what you have in this case. So you have x into x plus 1, and here you have 0. Now if you subtract c1 minus c2, so you have x plus 1. Yes, right here x plus 1. And if you subtract here, so check it what you have in this case. Yes, multiplying and trying to check it. So what is your result here? So how you are getting, just see it here. Just I take it here, some work, rough work here, and just see. Suppose here you have 3x and 1 minus x. Here you have x minus 1 and x minus 2. So if you are taking x minus 1 common, okay? Yes, take out x minus 1 common. So here you have minus 3x, and here you have so sorry, subtract is also there. No? You have to applying the subtraction operation c1 minus c2, and here you're taking common x minus 1 in between them. So here you have minus x plus 2, minus x plus 2. So what is that? X minus 1 into minus 4x plus 2. So multiplying. Or you, yes, you taking multiplication directly also. Yes, applying. Oh, sorry, beta, just wait. Here you can take, first you take, that means common in third row also. Just see your third row. In third row, you can take x minus 1 common throughout the element. So in this way, it becomes easy. Then you apply this operation. Sorry, beta, sorry. Just take it. Take out x minus 1 common from third row. So right, x plus 1, x minus 1. Understand? So here you have 1, 2x minus 3x. In second column you have 1, x minus 1, and here you have x minus 2. And in third you have 1, x and x. Yeah. And then you applying the same operation. Yes, C1 replaced by C1 minus C2, and C2 replaced by C2 minus C3. Yes, do it. It becomes easy in this case. So here you have x into x square minus 1, and within determinant here you have 0, and you subtract it, so you have x plus 1. And if you are here subtracting, so you have minus 4x plus 2, and here you have 0. Here you subtract, so you have minus 1, and here x and x is cancel out, so you have minus 2, and third column you write as it is 1x and x. Yeah. So in this way, here you have element now expanding with respect to R1. So here you see its sign positive, negative, positive. So this can be written. This can be written as, yes, x into x square minus 1. Now eliminating first row and third column. So yes, multiplying it. So you have minus 2x minus 2, and yes, it becomes positive. So minus 4x plus 2. So here you see that plus 2 and minus 2 is cancel out, and here you have minus 6x, and if you multiplying the result, wait, here you have minus 1. Just check it. Here you have minus 6x square. Here 2 and plus 2 is cancel out. Okay, just wait. X. Oh, just wait. So these are eliminated. So here you have x square plus x square plus x, and yes, multiplying here. So here you have 4x square. So you write minus plus 4x square, and here you have minus 2x. Just check it. ये और ये eliminate हो गए. Just check it. What is your result? Are you getting? Check it, beta. So here x minus 1 common. Oh. X plus 1 common. So x into x minus 1 is left. And again x minus 1 common. So here you have minus 3x. Minus 3x, x minus 2, and x. So here you have x, okay? And then eliminating first row and third column. So you have minus 2x, minus 2. And here you have minus 4x and plus 2. Oh, yes, correct. Yes, write it. So here you have 6 into x square minus 1. And here you have minus 2x minus 2 and minus 4x plus 2. So plus 2 and minus 2 is cancelled out. Now see that if you multiplying, here you have minus 6x square into x square minus 1. So that minus is to be multiplied here. So here you have 1 minus x square. Actually, I am just here. That means I am actually not that means seeing here right side what is your required result. So that's why. Okay, so just write here. So here you have 6x square into 1 minus x square. Yes, write it. So that is your result. कर लिया बेटा? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Right, next question. That was asked in 2015. So write it. if fx is equal to determinant ax square ax square minus 1 ax, and your third column is 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 yes, right. Using properties of determinant, find the value of f2x minus fx. The value of f2x minus fx, you have to find the value of f2x minus fx. Okay, so first you trying to find the value of fx, which is the value of this determinant. So by using property, you find the value of this determinant. So what you do, here you see that in first column a is common. Yes, so take out, taking a common from first column, and see what you have in this case. Or here you have to make 2 0. Anyhow, you have to make it 2 0. So how two zeros are there? So if you want to make here a 0 in place of ax, so what you do, you have to multiplying a by first row and subtract it. So here you have 0. And for this one, you have to multiplying, that means this one, you make it here x square, understand, and then subtract it, so here you have 0. So in this way you can also form 2 0 in a row or column, and then trying to simplifying it. Okay, so trying to simplify, yeah. So here you make here 2 zeros. So how you applying it? So write r2 replaced by r2 minus x times of r1, r2 minus x times of r1, so here you have 0. Now if you want to make here in place of this element as 0, so you applying r3 replaced by r3 minus x times of r2, r3 minus x times of r2, so applying it in left side. Okay, so in first row you have write as it is a minus 1 0. Here you have 0. Here you multiplying by x and then subtract, so you have a plus x, and here you have minus 1, and again here you multiplying x and subtract, so here you have 0. Here you have 0, and this term is a plus x. Understand? And that means expand where you have 2 zeros. Where you have 2 zeros. So expanding with respect to C1. So what you have in this case, so here you can write A into eliminating first row and first column. So here you have A plus x whole square. So the value of fx is A into A plus x whole square. Okay, so if the value of fx is in this way, so what is the value of f2x? So write it. So f of 2x is equal to a into a plus 2x whole square. You can write in this way, a plus 2x whole square. Now putting all that value in f2x minus fx, simplifying, and yes, finally check it, what is your result. Yes, put it there. So in this way, here you have the value of f2x and fx. So put it here. Yes, right. So f2x minus fx is equal to a into a plus 2x whole square minus a into a plus x whole square. Okay, so taking a common and expand it, so you have a square plus 4x square plus 4ax minus a square minus x square minus 2ax in this way. So a square is cancelled out and simplifying remaining terms. So here you have a 4x square, so 3x square is there, and plus 2ax. So your answer is a into 3x square plus 2ax. Okay, so that is your answer. So you can take x common also. So yes, take it. So ax into 3x or plus 2a. 3x plus 2a, that is your final answer. So that was asked in 2015. Okay, so noted. Sometimes the equation, that means uh, the question is given like that, you have to solve the, that means derivative, sorry, differentiation. है ना? Means the determinant is given, and by using properties, you have to solve that determinant. So here I giving you some questions based on or solve the equation. Yes, so right, that was asked in 2015. Next question. Yes, write it. Using properties of determinant, solve the following equations. Solve the following equations for x. Solve the following equations for x and write it. Determinant x plus 2, x plus 6, x plus 1. Sorry, right here, x minus 1. X plus 2, x plus 6, x minus 1, and x plus 6, x minus 1, x plus 2, and your third column is x minus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 6 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Here you have to solve the equation, not prove. Okay. So, what you do in this case, you have to applying the operation in such a way that you can take common from a row or column. So what operation here you take? Okay, means you have, first of all, you have to take an operation in such a way that you can take common from a row or column, whatever be possible. So just you see it, here you see that in each of the column or row, here the elements are same, but their orders are different. So what you do, you have to applying R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if you are adding in this way, R1 plus R2 plus R3, so what you have, 3x plus 7. Okay, 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7, and 3x plus 7. So in this way, you can take 3x plus 7 common. So each of the element of a first row becomes 1, 1, 1. So by applying operation, you have to make 2, 0 on that, and it be very easily. You can form it and expand. Okay. So finally, you have simplifying for x, and that gives your answer. Understand? So applying it. So here you take R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So just see what you have here. You have 3x plus 7. Here you have 3x plus 7. And third column is also 3x plus 7. Understand? And just check it. And yes, write remaining elements as it is. X plus 6, x minus 1. Here you have x minus 1, x plus 2. Here you can write x plus 2 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now take out common 3x plus 7. So if you are taking common 3x plus 7. So what is left? 1, x plus 6. Here you have x minus 1. And here you have 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. And here you have 1, x plus 2, and x plus 6. That is equal to 0. Okay? Yes, right. Right in this way. Now applying operation R2 replaced by R2 minus R3 and C2 replaced by C2 minus C1 and yeah, this one for next column also. So you can applying it in this way. C2 replaced by C2 minus C3 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. You can applying this operation and check it what is your result. So here you have common, which is 3x plus 7, and you write first column as it is 1x plus 6 and x minus 1. Here you have 0. If you subtract it, here you have minus 3 and here you have minus 4. For third column you have 0. Here you have minus 4 and here you have 7. Check it, and that is equal to 0. Now here you see that in first column, first row, that means 2 zeros are there. So expand it with respect to R1. So what you have, eliminating first row and first column, and you have your result in this way. So right. So here you can write 3x plus 7 into, here you have minus 18, minus 21 or minus 16. Yes, right. Minus 21 minus 16 is equal to 0. So that quantity is not equal to 0. So you can say that yes, the value of x is minus 3 by 7. Minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. So write it. So the value of x is minus 7 upon 3. That is the value of x. So in this way, sometime you have given an equation like that, and you have to using here same method to solve it. Okay, now trying to solve next question which were asked in 2016, 11, 5 and 4. So that's why it's an important question. So trying to solve. Next question, solve. Yes, right. Determinant a plus x, a minus x, a minus x, a plus x, a minus x, a minus x, a minus x, a plus x, a minus x, and here you have a minus x, a minus x, and a plus x, and is equal to 0. You have to solve this determinant. Yes, applying using same method to simplifying it. You have the same method. Yes, applying R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yes, do it quickly. So R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what you have in R1, here you have 3a and minus x. Check it. Here you have 3a minus x, 3a minus x and 3a minus x, a minus x, a minus x, Here you have a plus x and a minus x, a minus x and a plus x, and is equal to 0. And is equal to 0. So 3a minus x is common from each of the element of first row. So right, 3a minus x common. So you have 1 a minus x, and here you have 1 a plus x, a minus x, and 1 a minus x, a plus x. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now applying property, and again, yes, same type of property you can applying here. So yes, either you make here in the place of this one and this one 0, or you can make here 2 zeros. So it's your choice. You have to applying anyway. Okay, so C2 replaced by C2 minus C3, and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. So applying it, so you have 3a minus x into your first column, which is a minus x, and here you have a minus x, 0. And if you are subtracting here, so just see a and a is cancel out. Here you have 2x. Here you have 2x. Understand? And if you are subtracting here, so a is again cancel out, and you have minus 2x. So right here you have minus 2x. Okay, and in third column, again here you have 0, and if you are subtracting, a is cancel. Oh, that be completely cancel. So right here 0, and here you can write a is cancel out. So here you have 2x. 2x. Okay. Now just see. Here you can take common. If you are saying the element, yes, 2x is common in second column and third column. Okay, so 2x is common. So yes, taking common. So here we write 3a minus x into 2x into 2x, which are common from second column and third column. Okay, write it. So first column you write as it is, 1 a minus x, and in second column you have 0 1 minus 1, right here 0 1 minus 1, and in third column you have 0 0 1, right here 0 0 1. Okay, so and is equal to 0 also, that is equal to 0, write it here, that is equal to 0. Understand? Now check it. Now if you are expanding what you have, just see, eliminating first row and first column, so here you have 1 only, so its value is yes, you have 3a minus x into 2x into 2x is equal to 0. So your final answer is x is equal to 0 0 and 3a. Okay, so here you have 3 solution, means your final answer is 0 0 3a. So here you are not written in this way, x is equal to 0 and 3a. No, because here you form a cubic polynomial. That's why 3 roots are there. Understand? So you can write x is equal to 0 0 3a in this way. Understand? So write it. And yes, that was asked in 2015, 11, 2005, and 2004. So that's why, yes, it is important question. Okay. Now, yes, right. Next question. Using properties of determinant. Yes, right. Using properties of determinant, prove that determinant of b plus c, c plus a, A plus B. Here you have C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 2 times of A plus B plus C, 2 times of A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA minus A square minus B square minus C square. Minus A square minus B square minus C square. You have to prove this result. Okay, note it. Noted? No, see your result. Actually, the time is about to over. Just I give you some hint. You trying it yourself. है ना? So just you see the elements which are given. So what you do? First of all, you have to applying operation R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Understand? So here you have 2 times of A plus B plus C. Here you have 2 times of A plus B plus C, and here you have 2 times of A plus B plus C. Understand? So you take out common. Understand? So if you 2 times of A plus B plus C is common, here you have 1, 1, 1. Okay. So by applying the property C2 replaced by C2 minus C3 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1, you make 2 0. Here you make 2 0. Understand? So if 2 zeros are formed, now again you see that some extra zeros, or if you taking, you can take here some common or not. If it is not possible, and after that is making 2 zeros in a row or column, so what you do? You have to expand it with respect to that. With respect to that, and finally